Hello, friends. Welcome to powerful daily mindful intention setting for the new year to support focus, transformation, and positive change. My name is Soraya Keating. I'm delighted to be here with you all. And in this wellness video, I'd like to invite us to practice three things. We'll first start with a grounding gratitude breath. Next, we'll differentiate between mindful intention setting and goal setting. The difference is important. And finally, the third thing we'll do together is engage in a simple daily practice that will support you in choosing mindfully intentions that will serve you in your life on a daily basis. So let's get started with our gratitude breath. I invite you to find a comfortable position. It can be seated, lying down, or standing up if you prefer. And let your attention connect with your breath and with your body. You might, for this practice, let your eyes wander to something that pleases you. I'm just letting my eyes wander outside. I'm looking at the sunlight and the trees. But let your eyes wander as you stay connected to your body and your breath. And now, as you breathe in, say to yourself, "Thank you for this breath that flows in through me." As you breathe out, say to yourself, "Thank you for this breath that flows out through me." One more time, inhaling, "Thank you for this breath that flows in through me." As you exhale, "Thank you for this breath that flows out through me." Very nice. Now, if you wish to do the gratitude practice again another time, you can use the same phrase I did, "Thank you for this breath," or you can choose a word, a quality that you are grateful for. For example, you might replace the word breath with love. "Thank you for this love that flows in through me. Thank you for this love that flows out through me." So that's the gratitude breath. Now, let's talk about the difference between mindful intention setting and goal setting. Both are useful. And what's the difference? Well, whereas goal setting is about the what. Goals are concrete, measurable. They manifest in the physical world, have to do with actions, whereas goals have to do with the what. Mindful intentions have to do with the how we do what we do. So, for example, if I have a goal of exercising 5 days a week, I can measure that, yeah? Some weeks it might be 4, other weeks it might be 5. It's measurable. However, how I go about exercising is up to me. The quality, the inner quality I bring. For example, I could exercise in a way where I'm being very mean to myself, chastising myself, or I could choose the intention of joy as I exercise, or choose the intention of gratitude. So mindful intention setting has to do with the how. It's how we go about everything we do in our daily life, at work, at home, in all of our interactions. So, pretty key difference. One thing I love about mindful intention setting is that it can have a huge impact on how we feel inside. It really has an effect on our nervous system. And it's one that we have some amount of control over. Our intention is something we can control. We can't always control what happens, but we can choose how we respond. So let's now connect with an intention. I invite you to, either with eyes open or eyes closed, take a deep breath inside your body and let out a nice long exhale. And now breathe into your heart. If you wish, you can take one or two hands to your heart. Feel what's there. And now ask your heart, what's an intention that would serve me today? What intention would serve me today, would help me in my life? You can change that question to fit what works for you. Let's see what arises. So for me, what's coming through is the word ease. What came through for you? Perhaps it's compassion, gentleness, courage, strength, or something else. Just trust whatever comes through. And now take a few more breaths into your body as you focus on the word you chose. For example, I'm focusing on the word ease. But whatever is the word you chose, notice where you feel that quality in your body. So if you chose love, where in your physical body can you sense the energy of love? As I sense into my body right now, I'm feeling a quality of ease, my word, in my heart area. Great. So see where you feel your intention in your body. And now we're going to enrich our intentions with some imagery. So I invite you to, again, tune into your body and to your chosen intention. See if there's a color. Is there a color that you associate with this word? I'm seeing the color blue. What color are you seeing? Is there an image that you associate with this word? For example, I'm seeing a beautiful blue river. What image is coming up for you? Let's trust whatever arises. Feel the word in your body. And now, as a last step of this practice, I invite you to take about a minute to connect with your chosen intention and see yourself moving through your day with this intention. So I have a busy day ahead, a lot of goals, and I'm just seeing myself moving through my day with ease. I have a little smile on my face, seeing myself smiling with all the people I'm going to be interacting with later, seeing if I get into traffic or something that feels like a little obstacle, just easily flowing through it all. So what are you seeing for your day as you choose this intention moment to moment? Go ahead, take one more breath and finish your visualization. Beautiful. All right. And as you complete your visualization, I invite you to take a look at something that pleases you. I'm again looking out the window at the sunlight. Thank you so much for joining me. And I hope that this has been a useful practice, one that you can bring to your life every day, whatever time of day it is. I like to do this in the morning and repeatedly throughout my day as needed. Have a beautiful day, everyone.